Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Linny. Today we are cooking it up in the kitchen again. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, today we're just, what are we doing even? We're just dicing up, we're stir frying a ton of just diced up shit. So enjoy. All right, fridge is open. Let's grab and go. Oh, yeah, got some carrots. What is this? Cilantro. Some spinach. Mushrooms. Most important. Nice. Onions. Okay, and ginger. Yeah, we're gonna grate some ginger with the garlic, diced garlic, and I think some jalapenos. You said yeah, jalapenos.
Oh yes.
Yeah. And then we'll put that with some soy sauce. Probably do soy sauce. I don't know. Maybe we have a lot of different spices, so it doesn't really matter. And we're gonna cook in the wok today. Tell ya, it's about to be lit. Tossed in all of our onions and carrots. Gonna make this stuff soft. And Sam's got the jalapenos right now. Gonna dice those up. Put these in here as well. Gonna be delicious. Very spicy. Woo! Yeah. Nice.
That's just the first guys.
Alright, some ginger powder's going in, some onion powder just went in. We got some of the garlic in. And garlic powder. Oh, check out that one. More garlic just went in as well. Hell yeah. We're well on our way. Got spinach left and tofu. Gonna add those in when it comes time. But not until this stuff cooks down. Oh, we also have mushrooms. Yeah. Yeah, mushrooms are going in now. Just gotta get some water on the bottom of this so it doesn't burn up everything. Yeah. What you doing there, bud? Alright, so our mix of vegetables is done. For now, it's very spicy. We added some chili garlic sauce. Now we're frying the tofu in oil. Woo! So yeah, guys, it's gonna be delicious, and then we're gonna pair that with rice. It's gonna be fucking amazing. Rice is done. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking good. Time for some feasting. Damn, look at that. Beautiful. Finish it off with a little bit of that garlic chili sauce and you're good. You're good to go. Alright guys, that was a delicious meal. Had a really good time and we jammed out on the guitars afterwards. I'll have a little bit of that in as well at the end here. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, hit that like button if you like this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.